Hey, in this video, I just want to give a quick thank you to each and every one of you that's been watching our channel. Now, we've been running the channel for just over a year now. We started in March 2022, and we've just hit 5,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. Now, I know some people watching that might think 5,000, that's not many, but I'm actually a business coach as well, and I coach people on how to run YouTube channels and how to do marketing. And YouTube's a hard nut to crack. It takes a lot of work, and we've been putting out content every single day. We've got more than 400 videos on that channel now, on this channel, in order to get those 5,000 subscribers. And I really want to thank you guys for helping us get there, because it kind of feels like we're building a community here. We get the same people that comment from time to time. Sometimes we agree, sometimes we disagree, and that's good. And that's what we want. We want an open debate on stuff. And so, yeah, we've hit our 5,000 subscribers. We've been talking about it for the last few weeks for sure. I know that's annoyed some of you, but it's a big milestone for us. Next milestone is 10,000. We're not going to start talking about that quite yet, but that is the next goal. I thought I'd quickly share with you some stats on exactly where we've got to in this first year. So we have had 415,000 views on the channel now. So it's likely that in the next month or so we'll hit 500,000 views, which is absolutely bonkers. So that is a lot of people. Now, where this differentiates between other platforms, because that's what I do, is teach business owners as well how to get TikTok and Instagram and all those things going, is a view on TikTok is not the same as a view on YouTube. You see, you could have 400,000 views on one video on TikTok, and you could ask all those people that watched if they remember you the next day, and they won't. And the reason is, YouTube videos people watch for a prolonged period of time. Average time for us is around 7 to 8 minutes per video. Normally our videos are around 10 minutes, so most people watch them till the end. And also, you've gone looking for a topic on YouTube, whereas TikTok, Instagram, and all these other platforms, you have no idea what it's going to show you when you open the app. Now, hours-wise, people have watched this channel for 33,000 hours, which is absolutely crazy. And that's why this platform is the platform of choice for me, because I know that you can give real value to people. And that's really, really important here. Now, what else might we want to know? Let's have a quick look on how many actual videos we have made. Can I get that stat anywhere? Yes, 383 videos is the total videos that we've made in just over a year. Now, we started making a video just 5 days a week when we started the channel, and then I noticed that the views just dive bombed on the weekend because we weren't making new content. So we've now started making 7 videos per week. Now, what's the plan going forward with this channel, and why did we run it in the first place? Well, the first reason that I ran this channel is I'm building a property portfolio for my 2 girls. I've had some real arsehole comments about that in the last few days. And I know it's only like 1 or 2 comments out of 400,000 views, but it does get a little frustrating when you see stuff like that. And that's why I run this channel, right? It's to hold myself accountable, to share my value and knowledge with you people as well. That's really, really important. And so we've got Amelie, who's 2 now. She's a little character. We've got Georgia, who's 22. And we've got them a couple of properties already. We're looking for more deals at the moment in the market to grow that portfolio as well. So that will all be documented on here. Now, what's the plan going forward? Well, we've been looking at running live events, and we were talking about that 6 months ago, that I was going to run live events for you guys. There's a reason why that didn't happen, and the reason is because my mum has been very, very ill. She's had lots of scares with cancer, dementia, and if you know my story from my business book that I've written called Expert Mastery, you'll know that she's actually quite mentally ill. She lives in a home. And so I just needed to be going to lots of appointments, and I wasn't able to commit to launching that live training. So what we've decided to do is to launch that stuff online at a very affordable price. And so by the end of May, putting it out there now and holding myself accountable, by the end of May 2023, we will launch an online platform. We've been recording for months already content to put into that platform. We've got a hell of a lot more to record, so we'll be having some late nights in here, but we're going to have a comprehensive guide to the best strategies in property investing. Now, this isn't going to be a £1,000, £2,000 course. It's going to be a very affordable monthly fee, and it will give you an opportunity to try it from just £1. And I think that's fair enough because I see lots of people get bashed online for selling very expensive courses. I want to make this affordable to everyone. I want to make it have a community so you can get more access to me, ask me questions, ask me for contacts, anything that you need, and that will allow you guys to do that. So do look out for that in the next few weeks. We'll join a priority list. We'll create a priority list very soon as well. So that's it. We've hit our 500,000, not 500,000, we'll get that at some point. We've hit our 5,000 subscribers. The next milestone for us is 500,000 views on the channel. You can help us by liking all our videos. Do subscribe if you didn't already. We've got 33,000 hours watched. Next step is 500,000 views and to launch the best online training in the UK. So look out for that in the next couple of weeks. That's it from me. Thank you again. Go and check out all the other content, including this video right here.